Hi, my name is Sergio, and today I will be reading for the role of Sergio.
Man, I look old on camera. Start like smiling really big and then go into the line and just let your smile just gradually fall off your face. Because it will.
Why go with Soul Solutions? Why go with Soul Solutions? Because everything is in-house. Design, manufacturing, installation. What I've been trying to convey here is that we do design, manufacturing, and installation. So this is a key information for Soul Solutions. That's why we think we're special, we're different, because we do everything in-house. We do design, manufacturing, and installation. We have an in-house design department. We're using use state-of-the-art software.
In-house design.
Yeah, we have an in-house department. Awesome, good for you. Okay. You look like not talk like this. We have an in-house design department. We use state-of-the-art software. Fusion, AutoCAD, Chief Architect, e-cabinets. And remember, all in-house, no wait time.
Friendlier.
Absolutely. Okay. We have an in-house design department. We're using state-of-the-art software. Fusion, AutoCAD.
Just like normal.
The trick with having the design done by the same company that's going to do the manufacturing is they'll be able, and we are able, to take into account details that go into manufacturing and incorporate them into the design. So details that go into manufacturing will be incorporated in the design, making it flawless. Which is also in-house with no wait time. Our in-house trained. That's it? It's recording right now because it's red. So now we have design covered, manufacturing handled. Now we have design. So now our in-house trained master installers will carry your project over the finishing line. That's the big advantage. The team that installs the project is formed out of people that have been trained in-house. So they've seen the product from design to when it was cut and put together. Then when it was finished, it has been delivered, most likely by them, and now it's being put together. So the advantage is that they know the project from start to the installation. Prior to the installation starting, there's a meeting at the office where the installation crew goes over the design plans with the design department and the drafting department. And if there's any construction details or manufacturing parameters that had to be adjusted for this project, somebody from the manufacturing line will be part of that meeting. So all the details that went into this project are conveyed to the installation team. Again, everything in-house, no wait time. Most of the time, especially on more complex projects, There's the meeting that happens prior to the delivery with the installation team. This is in the office. And then there's another meeting on site where the design crew or the drafting crew goes and talks about specific details with the installation team on site, because there might be situations where a little bit of analysis on site is going to go a long way for the installers. Hi, my name is Sergio, and today I'll be reading for the role of Sergio.